Hello, a warm welcome, my wonderful viewers. New Year's blessings to you and your families. Today I'll be talking about a very important topic, road safety in Jamaica. So hop in, buckle your seatbelt, and let us look at the facts as we explore how we can make our roads safer for everyone. Jamaica, the Caribbean paradise of bob, boat and berries. Renowned for its beautiful beaches, tantalizing cuisine, and arguably the most welcoming and friendly people anywhere on earth. But step away from the highlights of opulent resorts and luxurious residences, and you'll find a menace lurking around the next corner of the nation's streets. So why is driving in Jamaica a national concern? If you travel the length and breadth of Jamaica, it is probably easier to identify a single pebble in a stone heap than to find a community or family untouched by the tragedies along the nation's streets. Over the past 10 years, road traffic accidents have led to over 4,000 people losing their lives on the nation's roadways. In fact, in just 2021 alone, statistics show that over 480 persons lost their lives due to road accidents. This is beyond alarming, as the numbers are not just statistics, they represent loved ones, friends and neighbors, and their loss leaves gaping holes in the lives of our families and the wider society. Now, why is there so much carnage on Jamaica's roadways? On an island where modern highways represent major signs of progress, whilst other streets remain unpaved, crater-filled nightmares, Jamaica's road traffic accidents reflect the deluge of lawless, reckless and ill-tempered acts occurring regularly in our society. For a Caribbean paradise, loved and visited by millions annually, Jamaica boasts the iconic mantra, "No problem." Perhaps that is part of the problem. Far too many people, drivers and passengers, have no problem believing it's never gonna happen to me. And all are too willing to take the risk just to get there quick. Let us now take a look at the breakdown of top factors leading to accidents on Jamaica's streets. Just before we do, here's a quick reminder. If you enjoy positive content, then a sub to the channel would be most welcome. Pedestrian safety. Our streets are like minor communities in which pedestrians play a significant part. Drivers, let us be more aware and show more respect to our fellow road users. A large percentage of our streets are poorly lit and have few or no designated crossing points. So be on the lookout, especially for our children and the elderly. Pedestrians, we have long passed the days when Morris miners, hunters, carteeners and escorts chugged along our streets. Today, our roadways are more than 30 times busier, so stay alert. Use the designated crossing points where available. And if you do have to cross a roadway without one, ensure the street is clear and please stay clear of corners. Remember the road safety poem we learned as kids? Look left, look right, and left again. It is even more important today. Substance abuse. Drinking, smoking, and the use of other substances, including certain medications, combined with driving, often lead to devastating consequences. Now we all know Jamaica is party central, and we love a good time. But let's be more responsible. Use a designated driver who doesn't drink, or pull together and take a taxi home. It will not only save you from taking a dangerous risk, it will let you party as you wish. Distracted driving. Imagine juggling multiple tasks without focusing on any. That is what happens with distracted driving. Stay focused, keep your eyes on the road, and avoid using the phone or fiddling with the stereo. It might be less convenient, But pulling over or asking a passenger to assist you with a distracting task can be the difference between safety and disaster. Remember, on the streets every second matters. Navigating junctions. It is important to utilize defensive driving on any stretch of roadway, and more so at road junction. Drivers approach junctions slowly and stay a safe distance behind other vehicles. It not only gives you time for sudden braking, it gives you time to assess the situation. Pay close attention to traffic wardens and signals, road signs and other road users. Before proceeding, use your turn signals and ensure the road is clear in all directions. Remember, following the codes leads to your safety on the road. Speeding. Far too many drivers engage in the level of speeding and risk-taking you will associate with high-speed chases than regular road usage. If you stand along the sidewalk on any stretch of road outside a built-up area, even if it's the scene of a recent crash, you'll see motorists speeding as if they are immune to a similar fate. And passengers, you too bear the responsibility for your safety. Sadly, too many people stay silent rather than ask their drivers to slow down. My people, remember, if you are running late, it is better to arrive than to not survive. We've now come to the number one factor that is causing accidents on Jamaica's roadways. Reckless overtaking. Have you ever seen a new river and without caution jump right in? Reckless overtaking is just like diving into uncertain waters. It is not only risky and lead to collisions, it is arguably the number one cause of Jamaica's road fatalities and serious life-altering injuries. Now we all want to get to our destination, but we must exercise patience on the streets. Overtake only when necessary. Use your indicators to signal to other road users you intend to go ahead. Check your mirrors and ensure you have ample time to pass before corners and oncoming traffic. People, remember, reckless overtaking is sorrow in the making. How about the effect on those who are left behind? It's tough whenever we lose anyone, but the pain that comes with unexpected tragedies is so much harder to take. Road fatalities are not only about the lost lives, for in a country that prides itself on close-knit communities, our families, friends and especially children left behind suffer inconceivably for years and sometimes their entire lifetime. So here's my message to everyone. It is 2024 and like so many of you, I have many wishes for the days, weeks and months ahead. But this one is especially for the Jamaican road users. Now I know some people will say, I could talk till the cows come home, things will never change. I am not of that persuasion. I believe that my fellow Jamaicans can change for the better. So my message to them is simply this. Please slow down. Leave for your destination early. Jamaica is a beautiful country, so why not enjoy the journey? Obey the road traffic signs, be courteous, it is what we are known for, and please let us do more collectively to keep ourselves and others